Hi students, Dr. Angela Taylor here, and today we're discussing how to use the PaperPile extension for reference management. So the first thing you'd like to do is sign into paperpile.com. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with Google. Okay, now you need to install the Chrome extension. So you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. You could click it here, or here's the long way you would do it. You would go the three dots up here in Chrome, then you would go to Extensions, and you would visit the Chrome Web Store. And then you will go to PaperPile. In the search bar, PaperPile extension. And you will click Download and install the PaperPile extension. Next, you will go to Manage Your Extensions. So you will go back to the three dots and go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and make sure that the PaperPile extension is turned on. Now, at this point, I highly recommend that you quit and relaunch Chrome. I have found that it crashes if you skip this step. For me, anyway, it does. So I'm going to quit and relaunch Chrome. So here we go, quitting Chrome. And now I'm relaunching it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and open up something that I'm working on. This is on glutathione synthesis, okay? And now I'm going to go to PaperPile and I'm going to tell it what I want my citation style to be. So I want AMA. There it is, 11th edition. Yeah, sure, I want the DOIs and the URLs, and I'm going to hit update. And now I have set my citation style. And now I can go to Google Scholar and find some papers. All right, so this one looks good. Let's click on it, make sure that we like it. And it looks good. So now we're going to go back here and we say, yep, I like it. Go ahead and add it to my PaperPile database. Boom. There it is. So now let's go log into PaperPile again, just to make sure that it's really in there. And it remembered me, and there it is. It's in my database. Okay, so now I can go to my article that I'm working on, and I can say, all right, put the citation here. So now we go to PaperPile and we say Insert Citation. And let's see, what did that start with? Improvement by. Okay, so improvement. There it is, right there, improvement by N-acetylcysteine. And it just added the citation. Now this doesn't look like AMA format, right? So what we have to do now is the last step. We have to go here and tell it to format citations. Now this right here is the old legacy way of formatting citations, and this is still working just fine for me, but for some people they're finding that their computers are hanging when they click on this one, and if that's the case and it's really slow, then you would click on this one instead. But it's still working for me, so I'm going to go with the original. And there you go. Look, it changed the formatting nice, made it the number 6, and put it down here. There it is. All right, so that, my friends, is how you use PaperPile.